Tears are words that the heart cannot express. The most terrifying aspect of love is that we never know whether it is real or fake. Orgasms make both men and women feel more talkative. No one notices your sadness until it turns to anger, during which point you are the bad person. Women are more likely to trust someone who hugs them for at least 15 seconds. In our heads, we have more conversations than we do in real life. Never bother someone again if you feel they are avoiding you. Disturbing a person while sleeping can increase the risk of permanent brain damage. A woman spends approximately 76 days of her life looking for items in her bag. People who do not get enough sleep perform worse than drunken people. According to studies, dopamine enters the brain and your blood vessels relax after orgasm. The scent of perfume changes when you rub it on your wrists. Every man has the secret sorrows that the world is unaware of, and we frequently label a man as cold when he is simply sad. People are afraid to trust again because of broken promises. A happy marriage is the union of two forgiving people. Men who prefer large breasts are more likely to be less financially secure. It is not always the tears that reveal the extent of the pain. Sometimes it is the fake smile.